A few months after the reveal of the new turbocharged variant of the Mazda 6, we now know how much more fuel the force-fed family sedan will require. The EPA rating puts it at 31 miles per gallon on the highway, 23 in the city and 26 combined. That is less than the naturally aspirated model with either an automatic transmission or a manual, the former of which gets 35 miles per gallon highway, 26 in town and 29 combined. But the naturally aspirated Mazda 6's 184 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque are well short of the turbo engine's 250 horsepower and 310 pound-feet. The turbo Mazda 6's fuel economy also puts it right in the range of similarly powerful sedans in the midsize arena. In fact, almost every 2018 2.0-liter turbocharged sedan in the segment gets 26 miles per gallon combined, including Kia Optima, Hyundai Sonata, Chevy Malibu, Buick Regal, and most versions of the Honda Accord, with only a difference of 1 or 2 miles per gallon in city or highway results. The V6 Toyota Camry and Nissan Altima also hit this 26 miles per gallon fuel economy mark. As far as power is concerned, the Mazda 6 is also very even with the competition, most of which makes right around 250 horsepower, though the Toyota Camry's naturally aspirated V6 is a class leader at 301 horsepower. But the 6's advantages in torque. None of the mainstream family sedans touch the Mazda's whopping 310 pound-feet. The 2.0-liter Honda Accord and Ford Fusion come the closest at 273 and 275 pound-feet respectively. To beat the Mazda 6 would require going for the Ford Fusion Sport, which is a unique step up in the segment with the turbocharged V6 making 380 pound-feet. The Fusion Sport takes a serious hit in the fuel economy department, though, getting just 20 miles per gallon combined.